What up, fellow Zonies? It's Zona back with another AriZona iced tea unboxing video. Finally. Wow. Okay. I got a new phone, so I can finally live my life here. So I bought a quite significant amount of stuff on AriZona's new website that just came out. They put a bunch of different old items and new items and items that were already on. And finally, I have the opportunity to buy Santa Fe sparkling water, AriZona's newest line of drinks. So I'm going to be unboxing that, and then I have a bunch of shirts and other merchandise items that I can't wait to come in. Now, first things first, this box is Amazon. So I'm assuming that AriZona you can buy off of Amazon or something like that now. I already know that they sell some items, but I guess now they sell Santa Fe. And here we have an OG Grapevine 99 box. I have one of these boxes from the 99 store, probably about half a year ago or something, when the store still existed online. So let's get right into this. I'm going to open the Santa Fe first because I really have no reason not to. Alright, let's see what this drink looks like. I got a rainbow pack, meaning it'll have multiple flavors in it. So I think that'll be pretty cool. Oh, already. Look at that. Santa Fe. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Look at this thing. I mean, gorgeous little box here. 12 pack Santa Fe. Basically, Santa Fe, if you don't know, is sparkling juice. It's not like sparkling water. It's like sparkling water with juice. I don't know. It's weird. I've never tried it. This is a new thing from AriZona. Let's open this package. This would be much easier with a knife. So I have it. Oh my god, these cans look so cute. I don't really know what flavors they have in this pack. But first off, we have orange mango. I wonder how big these are. 16 fluid ounces. They're nice sized cans, not big cans like AriZona's normal. But all their cans basically are in. Their popular stuff. Let's see what else we got. We got the famous Arnold Palmer. One of a kind seltzer iced tea. No idea how this is going to work. I'm going to do a taste test on every single one for y'all and myself because these are so cool. We have another orange mango. That's 2 orange mangoes. And we have pink grapefruit. Remember, do not shake your Santa Fe before opening. It is fizzed. Can't wait to try this because I feel like it'll be so good. As a sparkling water, we have 3 of those. I wonder if this is completely random or what's going on here. We have Santa Fe lemon. Just lemon water, I guess. We have 3 of those. We have another Arnold Palmer. And then, this one's gonna be good. Raspberry lime. A little closer on this can design here. I love the simplicity. This runs through all the Santa Fe's of it and the really bright colors. I mean, this pops on the shelf. Even though it's not as crazy, it's more modern in the sense of other AriZonas, and it really fits the theme of it's sparkling water. It's kind of more of a simple and classy thing, I guess, to drink. And I really think that these designs are fitting. I love raspberry and I love lime, so that will be perfect. So, after that Santa Fe, which is beautiful, let's open the real package here. The package full of goodies that costed me $110. Not 110, 210 What the hell am I talking about? Alright, let's open this bad boy up. I love this AriZona tape. I'll show you close here. AriZona caution tape, basically. That is so cool, I'm not gonna lie. I wish I had a roll of that. Ooh, I wonder how much that would cost. Oh, opened up without even a knife here. Oh, alright, let's see what we got. AriZona gave me a bunch of free stuff. Okay, let's get into this. Hold up. Alright. We have a postcard from AriZona. How cool is that? I've never gotten a postcard in my life, and AriZona got me one. Alright, we got a heartfelt thanks from AriZona. It's you, our customer, who inspires us to continue to innovate and raise their bar highly. AriZona, join the newsletter and get 15% off. That's pretty cool. That's going on my wall, just like the postcard. Alright, other free stuff. Let's open this bag because I did not order any of this. This is pretty crazy, not gonna lie. We got another I Heart Big Can sticker. I only have one of these, now I have two, so that is amazing. Capitalize it in the middle, if you know what I mean. Oh! We got a geisha freaking patch. That is so cool. I don't have a patch from AriZona yet. That is awesome. That's probably gonna go on my leather. Not leather, jean AriZona jacket. Denim thing. Is this another patch? No, it's a sticker. Just cherry blossoms. Famous, iconic from AriZona. I'm just piling all my stuff over here, as you can see. We have another. I do have one of these, I believe. Maybe I don't. No, I do. AriZona Half Sun Pintrol. That's cool. I'll probably put that one in use now because I have another. Let's see what we got. Another I Heart Big Can sticker. It's like, this is like a really nice texture. This one's cool. I think it's like better than those. That's cool. And then we have a new version of their chapstick. Their other chapstick is like a really short, fat can, and I love it, but I've never seen this one. This must be new, and yeah, they sent it to me. All right, here is my shipping stuff. Goodbye. Now, I have no idea why they have a bunch of different boxes in here, but I guess we'll find out. So, okay. First box. Let's see what this is. Ah, it's my water bottle. Look at that. So freaking cool. I love it. Oh my gosh. I have a water bottle, but it isn't AriZona, so I do not like using it. But I really need water because AriZona has some sugar and I don't want to die young here, okay? We have, next, all the different air fresheners that I got. First off, let's look at this one because this one's different. This is the 25th anniversary one, green tea. I bet these smell all so good. I only have two, and 2 fruit punches, and I got those from AriZona and then one from a friend. We have a mucho mango. You can all buy these from the store right now, by the way. Lemon iced tea and watermelon. What a perfect thing to exist. Air fresheners from AriZona. Alright, I have a feeling I know what this is. I believe it's my ashtray. I do not smoke, but it's such a cool item. I couldn't not buy it. Especially now that they're on sale. Green tea, crushed can. I was so close to buying the iced tea one, and I will in the future, but I feel like a lot more people would want this. If I don't get a chance to buy it again, I can sell this one if I ever need to. Not that I ever would, though. But oh my gosh, this thing's so cool. I love it. I love it. Crushed can, you know? People use those as ashtrays, actually. I've seen it. Very disrespectful. Please do not do that. AriZona is love. AriZona is life. Okay. Next, we get into our clothing bit here. We have Great Buy 99 wrapping. Oh my gosh, I already know what this is. It's the polo. It's the polo. I can't destroy this wrapping, so let me get my knife back. I keep the wrapping, I know. It's weird, but my collection can be weird if you think about it. To the extent that I have. Must not destroy wrapping. Alright. Let's get this thing. Oh, it's multiple. Okay. Alright, let's get into what I was talking about first. We have the Have an Iced Day long sleeve shirt polo, checkerboard pattern. I mean, come on. That thing is gorgeous. There's no debating the fact that you will be seen and people will ask you about this. I mean, come on. Like, that's ridiculous. And we have one that, oh my god, the texture. What? Okay, apart from that, this shirt I wanted for a while because it's like really plain, but it's like also really cool. Has a Have an Ice Day shirt on the front, and it has a bunch of different flavors on the back and a thank you from AriZona. And this feels like really strange. Like, I love it. I don't really know how to describe what it feels like. It feels like rubber. Alright, now let's get into what I was really excited for. These are some shirts. Though in the summer, long sleeve shirts may be a little ridiculous, but I assure you I will still be wearing these. Maybe even just for the morning or the night. What? Oh no, I ripped the packaging. Oh no, I ripped it again. I'm terrible. Oh. Oh, I forgot about you. Okay, we'll get into these first. So, we have the new Half Sun logo style, which was on the neon, well, not really neon, but glow in the dark hat. Yellow front, pink back. I mean, these things are just fly. Like, there's no mistaking that this is something ridiculous. And if you're wearing it, you're bold as hell. Next one, we have pink on the front. Oh my gosh, I tripped. Pink on the front with that logo again, that really cool logo in color this time, with AriZona above it, and teal on the back. These are really nice. Like, these feel really nice, so it's definitely worth the money. It's not like really expensive clothing, but like it's all right, you know. Definitely not 99 cents, but I don't mind. And well, a lot of people would. This is a difficult package. Let me get my knife. A lot of people would want this. Like, I've seen a lot of people comment, you know, how to get this from other people, and I've never gotten one before. Let's take these clips out. And we have, oh my gosh, there's even more clips. This is kind of ridiculous. We have a beautiful cherry blossom button down. This thing is really nice because it matches right here, my jacket, but the jacket is, in my opinion, a little warm in the summer, and this thing will be perfect. It has very bright colors. It feels really nice in my hands. I can't imagine what it feels like, you know, on me. So who is gonna not love this thing if you buy it, like, honestly, or if you see someone wear this? Like, this is freaking awesome. So yeah, that's all the stuff I have, and thank you for watching my videos. If you enjoy them slightly, I'm kind of crazy in the AriZona mindset here, and I got a lot of things, and I plan to get many more and share them with you now that I can actually upload things again. So thank you for watching, and have an iced day. Now, if you want to have an iced day, this is the way to go. You're thirsty.